Hi guys! Welcome to DIY Dollar Tree Midsummer Night's Dream Edition. So I wanted to do something to celebrate summer, but I'm also a theater nerd, so I thought let's marry the two and do like a Midsummer Night's magical garden theme. Here were some of the inspirations I took from, obviously Pinterest, who doesn't love that? And this is what we ended up with. What I did was I had this green tablecloth, and then I had this older shawl that was in my husband's family, and I kind of did a night and day. That shawl also just kind of has like that dreamy element to it, I thought. The next focus is, of course, the table setting and the plate setting. I used that particular placemat. It had hints of gold, followed by the pearlized charger with the ivory plate on top. And then I spray painted the silverware. I did it just on the handles because you probably don't want to eat off of spray painted silverware. Probably a bad idea. The napkins, I was obsessed with those fans at the Dollar Tree. There are so many different colors and they're so cute, and I was like, I must find a way to use this. I found one that was this like teal, green, magical. So I cut the fan into 3 separate sections. I did a napkin roll up and I placed the fan on top and tied it around with 1 white ribbon and then 1 purple ribbon. That purple ribbon is quite transparent, so definitely you'll need kind of the white underneath to make the purple pop. But I love it, so cute. Okay, so I'm strolling through the Dollar Tree, trying to find magical garden, Midsummer Night's dreamy stuff. And I see these mirrors. I had seen them before and I was like, I have to incorporate this. And I had no idea, honestly, how I was going to use them, but I decided I will hot glue these mirrors to the glass taper candle holders, because those glass taper candle holders are very whimsical and, they catch the light. So one of them I surrounded with this baby's breath and the white flowers with the 2 white birds. The second one, I used a purple dragonfly with some of the purple lace and just kind of left it flowing and girly. And you can see that I used those plastic beads and I put those all throughout the table as well. As for the actual centerpiece, I used a silver bucket, which I spray painted that beautiful brass color. I took various vines and wrapped them around. I then glued one of the luminescence long stem glass tea light candle holders to the floral foam piece, and the floral foam I then covered in the reindeer moss. And then I added the butterflies. They actually have a great selection of butterflies at the Dollar Tree right now. I couldn't find a picture, but it was a big package. Secondly, guys, I found these perfume bottles. They are so cute and they had several different colors. I found these butterflies and I ended up gluing the purple butterfly to the top of the purple perfume jar. And then with the green perfume jar, I just kind of left it as it was. I have a small table, so I don't have one of those long 10-foot tables. I think if you had that, you could probably build it up really as much as you want. And then to top it off for the center, I used just various pink flowers. I actually, if you guys saw my other video, these are the same pink flowers I used in the Mother's Day video, and I just kind of made a little mini floral vertical arrangement across. And then I, just put various butterflies in and filled it in that way. So this is my Midsummer Night's Dream Edition. Again, depending on the size of your table, bigger table, you can add more things, but there is going to be a point where you literally can't fit anything to actually serve on the table. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Leave me questions, comments. Tell me what you're going to do for the summer. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.